If you're a struggling trader in making profits, then this video is right for you, because I'll be explaining to you the easiest strategy that will make you profitable in this year of 2024. So I'm going to do analysis on volatility 50 index, but before that I'm going to explain to you on why we did take this trade that you are seeing on the screen. And of course, the call was given on the Telegram group. If you haven't joined yet, the link can be found in the description below. Make sure you join it. Now, first of all, before doing your analysis, I always say make sure you go to the 4-hour time frame, because on the 4-hour time frame, that it is where you will get a general picture of where this market came from and what you should expect. Now, first of all, today we can see that on volatility 50 index recently, this market January, it was on overall downtrend. And you will know how the market moves on a downtrend market, always making series of lower lows and lower highs. This is how the downtrend market moves, guys and girls. And you can see right here, we were obviously on a downtrend movement. You can see we have our lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and our lower high, it is in this zone. So in order for this downtrend market to proceed to its direction, we were expecting first the market has to at least approach this level before any starting selling to occur. Now, guys and girls, but you can see this is in a 4-hour time frame, and this will take a lot of days until the market finally approaches this level. This does not mean that we should just stay idle and do nothing in the meanwhile, while all these movements are just going to waste. Now, since we know that the market has to come to this level, what we should do is we are concentrating on this movement that is occurring right now. So the 4-hour time frame has helped us to know that there is this zone that we should be very careful of, because once the market comes right here, it has a very high probability of selling on this level. Now, since we're concentrating on this movement right here, anticipating the market to at least reach this area, then we go to the 1-hour time frame to see how this bullish market movement is proceeding. Now we can see on this leg right here, the market was making series of higher highs and higher lows as it was expected. You can see higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and the market was expected to come to this level before going to the uptrend direction, right? But we know for an uptrend market to be termed as it was officially over, then the previous higher low has to be broken. This is the just common knowledge, guys and girls. And we can see right here on this movement right here, the market, although it failed to retest to this level, what it did, it came to as low as this level, the previous uptrend market higher low, to retest before proceeding to the uptrend direction. But of course, we are not taking our entries on the 1-hour time frame, because this will force us our stop loss to be huge, and it will force us in return to open very few positions that would make us to not utilize this bullish movement effectively. Now what we did is we went to the 30-minute time frame and see for ourselves if we will get any extra confluences to support our decision. And as you can see right here, we did get a confirmation of an doji candlestick. Some people may argue that this is some kind of an evening star, but I personally use doji candlestick as my confluences. Why? Because a doji candlestick is obviously a reversal candlestick, and you can see the market was moving on a downtrend for a short time, signifying, and the presence of this doji candlestick signifying us that this minor downtrend movement is over right now, and we are up to for a bullish movement. And that's what it did right here. You can see this strategy. It is very simple, guys and girls. If you have any questions regarding to this analysis, please comment below, or you can just come directly on my inbox on Telegram with your charts and ask questions. I get a lot of SMSs, I get a lot of texts, but I will try my best to reply to as many individuals, as many bodies as possible. Now let us go to another pair so that you can get at least another clear picture on how to do your analysis. Now let me go to volatility 25 index. On volatility 25 index on the 30-minute time frame, you can just see for yourself how the market respects its nature, because knowing the nature of the market movement, then it is very possible for you to know its next step. You can see on this screen right here how the market was moving. It's almost picture perfect way. You can see the market was going on higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. Now you can see the market after retesting to this level and after formation of these multiple weak rejections of these candlesticks, what it did right here, it shoot right back up. Now this is the second case. The market for the first time, once it came to retest to this previous uptrends higher low, it did form some kind of a doji candlestick, and that's why I say the presence of these doji candlesticks, I normally take it as a very strong conference. You can see how the market pushed on almost clear as a straight line to the uptrend direction. Guys and girls, you can see for yourself just how simple the analysis is and how profitable it can be. Now I know there are a lot of strategies out there, the order blocks, all of those fancy names, the supply and demand, the ICT. I know those names can make you feel like you're doing something smart, or you're doing some kind or some kind of a Wall Street professional trader. But guys and girls, just know in trading, simplicity is the key. Just keep the trading simple. Just use this concept. Just know the nature of the market movement, and at the end of the month, just do your self evaluation and see all your trades that you did take using only this strategy, how many were losers and how many were winners. I guarantee you that at least 90% or 80% will be winners.